Norma Moriarty, local county councillor. Delighted to be given the opportunity to be added to the Fianna Fail ticket for the Kerry constituency in the next general election. What initially brought me into electoral politics was my interest in community volunteer efforts. I had been involved in every possible committee in my local area over many years, and I was asked to stand in the 2014 local elections. We live in a uniquely beautiful part of the country, and there are great, assets to be seen in terms of that, in terms of tourism and so on. But we're also quite peripheral. We don't have to be peripheral, even though we're living in such a potentially isolated area. If we have, decent connectivity, decent roads infrastructure, the best possible broadband you can have, we will be able then to do quite extraordinary things with what we have. From a tourism point of view, we have everything you could possibly wish for in terms of attractions for people, but we need to make sure that they are aware of that. We have, a gold tier dark sky reserve status, the only one in the Northern Hemisphere at the moment. Depopulation has been an issue we've been contending with as well. And that brings us to the Gaeltacht areas. We've seen the fact that so many of our Gaeltacht townlands are entirely depopulated. So the task force that has been meeting and has had all of the relevant agencies around the table for a good number of months now, those recommendations need to be put into action. And in order to do that, they need funding, okay? And they need dedicated personnel to make that happen. And there will be success as a result of it. It's what makes each community unique, what is particularly special to that, what do the local entrepreneurs, what drives them, and help them to create those employment opportunities. And you will have thriving communities right throughout. I don't think anybody would care about their local community as much as the person who's from the local community. And I am absolutely committed to my area. I'm committed to this county. I think we have a quality of life that needs to be preserved. That's what makes Ireland what it is. If current trends continue, you will lose that. And so much of our culture and our heritage will be lost with it. But our goal, our stated goal must be that we want that balanced development, that we want that fairness. What are our goals? Our goals want balanced development in the entire nation, value the type of living, the quality of life that we have, and make it happen. Norma Moriarty, Fianna Fail general election candidate for Kerry, really honoured and delighted to have the opportunity to stand for Fianna Fail and to have the opportunity or the chance to represent County Kerry in the Dáil. And together we can make this community sustainable. We can actually make sure that it thrives, and we can replicate that right throughout our county.